What's up, AP Bio Penguins? Today we're going to do a little AP Bio Math Minute looking at genetics problems. So we can see that tall is dominant to dwarf and round is dominant to wrinkled. If we were to cross a heterozygous for both traits plant with a heterozygous for tall and a homozygous recessive for wrinkled to see what is the fraction that are going to be tall and wrinkled. So first thing, what is the genotype going to be of this tall wrinkled? Well, since we know that tall is dominant, we know that it's going to either be homozygous dominant or heterozygous. And that since we were looking at wrinkled being homozygous recessive, that means that we're going to have T question mark little r. So we're going to do two Punnett squares. The first Punnett square we're going to do is to cross the T alleles. And the second Punnett square is going to be to cross the R alleles. So let's go ahead and make a copy of that Punnett square just to make our life easier. And we can see the first parent is heterozygous. We put that across the top. Second parent's also heterozygous. So if we cross that, we say that we have one that's homozygous dominant, two that are heterozygous, and one that's homozygous recessive. Then we cross a heterozygous for R and a homozygous recessive for R. And that gives us half of them being heterozygous and half of them being homozygous recessive. So now we're going to highlight which of them are tall. So we can see that 3/4 of them are tall, and then 1/2 of them are going to be wrinkled. So we'll do 3/4 times 1/2, which gives me 3/8. So that tells me that 3/8 of the offspring are going to be tall and wrinkled. Hope that this was helpful. Remember, AP Bio Penguins, just success. Bye, y'all.